Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the news and interest in the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select taskbar, and go ahead and left click on that. Where it says widgets, you want to slide it to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.